all, so we are back with another essential DIY in the current times, a fabric mask that you can make at your home. So let's see what all is required to make one for yourself. You will need a cotton fabric, a thread or needle or a sewing machine to sew the masks, a pair of scissors, a marker pen and a scale. First we'll take a cotton fabric which measures around 26 centimeter in length and 29 to 30 centimeter in breadth. We will now fold this into half and then fold it back again into half. So it's a double folding half, and what we get is a square kind of a shape with one closed corner and the other sides open. Now keeping the scale on the closed end corner, we need to mark a point at 13 centimeter on both the sides like I'm showing in the video, and then we are going to keep rotating the scale by placing the 0 point at the corner and keep marking 13 centimeter points at various places. Now we need to join all these marked points together. And what we get is kind of a quarter of a circle. And now we are going to cut this. So you would get two pieces. One is the quarter circle and the remaining scrape that we are going to use later for making the strips. So when you open this fold, all you get is one big circle. Now we have to fold this in half and cut, and then we would get two semicircles. And now we are going to further cut these two semicircles in half. And what we get are 4 quarters of circle. Now we are going to place 2 quarters on each other with the printed side facing opposite, and then we are going to sew along the rounded edge. I have a sewing machine, so I am using it to save my time, but if you don't have one, sewing with the thread and needle by your hands also makes no difference. So you can see that I have stitched the round corner like this. Now similarly we are going to repeat this with the other set. Now you have got 2 quarters of circles attached. When you reverse it, you can see that it has already started taking the shape of a mask. This will give you a fitted kind of a mask and not the pleated ones. Now we need to take one, reverse it with the printed side on top, and then place the other set on top of it with the printed side facing down. So you need to align them with each other on the basis of the stitched circular end that we just made previously. Now we are going to stitch across all around and seal them together. Once done, this is how your mask will look. I have stitched it across all the sides, but I have left a small portion open that I have not stitched. This is because we are going to reverse the mask from this portion, and now all the stitched marks will go inside, and what we'll have at the outer is a clean edged mask. This is done. So now we are going to seal this open edge as well that we had left open. And after this, your mask is ready. But now we need something to tie it back across our face. So we are going to use that scrape fabric that we got after cutting out the circles, and we are going to cut out a straight portion from this, and what we get are 2 pieces of the cloth strip. Now we are going to fold them into half vertically and then again fold them, and then we will stitch at the edges and make bias strips kind of ropes to tie, and then we are going to attach it on the 2 corner edges of the mask, and your DIY fitted cotton mask is ready. You can easily make this at home for your families as recommended by the government officials. If you aren't a healthcare worker or you're not in close proximity with any COVID patient, you can use this mask, and you can see how well these fit and give a full coverage protection. So go ahead and try making these some for yourself and your family today. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos.